Hello and welcome to our PCBA factory. Today, we'll be discussing two common soldering processes, reflow soldering and wave soldering. Each has its own unique characteristics and is suited for different production needs. As a professional PCBA manufacturer with extensive experience in this field, we hope to offer you some valuable insights. First, let's take a look at reflow soldering. Reflow soldering is a method used in surface mount technology. The process involves applying solder paste to the PCB and then heating it to melt the paste, forming stable solder joints. Our reflow soldering production line uses dual tracks, offering high-speed placement and soldering capabilities. It can process over 200 PCBs per hour, with the soldering temperature precisely controlled between 100 degrees Celsius and 300 degrees Celsius, with a temperature tolerance of plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. Reflow soldering offers the following advantages. High precision, capable of handling small components, making it ideal for modern electronic products. Flexibility, easily adapts to electronic components of various sizes, shapes, and materials. Space saving, reduces component spacing, making the product more compact. At POE Factory, we utilize the latest nitrogen reflow soldering technology, with oxygen content as low as 300 ppm, effectively preventing PCB and solder joint oxidation. Compared to traditional reflow ovens, this significantly reduces issues such as solder oxidation and unstable soldering quality. It ensures more reliable solder joints, greatly reducing the risk of product quality issues. Wave soldering, on the other hand, is a traditional soldering method. The process involves using molten solder at high temperatures to connect component leads to the PCB, making it ideal for through-hole components. Our wave soldering production line is capable of efficient production at a speed of up to 800 PCBs per hour, with a maximum soldering temperature of 300 degrees Celsius. The advantages of wave soldering include efficiency, ideal for large-scale production, saving production time. Strength, high solder joint strength, making it suitable for products that require high mechanical strength. Wide applicability, wave soldering is not only suitable for through-hole components, but can also be adapted with special equipment to solder surface mount components. Wave soldering is mainly used for soldering through-hole components and is commonly found in traditional electronic products as well as larger, heavier PCBs. So, how should you choose? If your surface mount components have flat leads or pads that can directly make contact, or if your product requires high precision and density, reflow soldering is the better choice. This is especially true for products like smartphones, tablets, digital cameras, and other high-tech electronic devices. Wave soldering, on the other hand, is ideal for soldering through-hole components and products that require high solder joint strength and reliability. Since through-hole component leads are upright, typically larger in size with wider spacing, they are well suited for soldering with the wave soldering process. Wave soldering is especially irreplaceable for soldering large or heavy electronic components, such as computer motherboards, power boards, home appliances, and industrial control equipment. The difference in the application range of the two soldering methods mainly stems from their respective technical characteristics and process requirements. At our factory, we combine the advantages of both processes and can flexibly adjust production plans based on customer needs, ensuring optimal production efficiency and product quality. To ensure optimal equipment performance, we conduct regular maintenance and inspections. The equipment's operating status is monitored through a real-time monitoring system to ensure that the soldering temperature remains within the optimal range. Finally, no matter which soldering process you choose, POE is ready to be your most reliable partner. With advanced equipment and rich experience, we can help you achieve your desired production results. If you're interested in our services, feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.